Hello everyone. This is a beginning tutorial on how to build a dollhouse. I bought a kit on sale at Hobby Lobby's. This is the picture of the house I bought from Hobby Lobby's to put together. I took out all the items out of the box. These are the items that were in the box. These are a picture of the items that was in the box. And also there is a instruction sheet. Before you begin your project, you need to read this instruction sheet and look through it. On the cover of the instruction sheet, it gives you, on the first page of the cover, it gives you a list of the supplies that you may need. Or not need. And on the inside, it gives you a list of all the supplies. You take all your supplies out the box, like I took all my supplies out the box. You take them all out of the box. Then you check it with your instruction sheet. On the first page, it has, first two pages, it has what you're supposed to have. A list of everything, the sizes, the dimensions, and everything of what you're supposed to have in the box. And not only does it have a list of the items, also has pictures. Also of what you would need to do this project. And if you happen to have a piece missing from your box, once you check it and make sure everything is there. I checked mine 2 times, 3 times to make sure I had everything. And I had you see the 2 circles I have that I had circled those two items I had missing out of my box. I called the number on the bottom of the instruction sheet. There's a number on the bottom of the instruction sheet that you can call. I called that number and I let them know that I didn't have those 2 pieces. I thought I would have to pay for the pieces, but I didn't. I didn't have to pay for the pieces. I called the number and they just sent me the pieces that I needed to do my project. And it didn't cost me anything because I bought the kit, and she said it should have been included in the kit. Since it wasn't, she sent it to me. And now I'm gonna put it together. I will see you next time on how I begin the project. Thank you for watching. Bye. Miss Ladybug. Bye.